Morning. Today is day 102, and as you can see, we are hiding at the back of our van. We just had a very scary experience. So we drove to Angkor Wat car park. It's a big car park for any visitor to park here. Yeah, immediately right, our car was swarmed by street peddler. There were six to seven of them around our car, trying to immediately sell us stuff, help us guide us into the parking lot. Our first instinct was, do we need to give them money, because they guide our car into the parking lot. Then the moment the door opened, they asked, want to buy stuff. Then there was also the Angkor Enterprise people. Yeah, they guided us to buy the ticket online, which was the government website. So yeah, we bought it. We skipped the queue. That's good. Then it immediately started to say, do you want tuk-tuk to fetch you there? Or do you want the tour guide? So everyone is just trying to suck that money out of you. So as a tourist, welcome to Cambodia. Take care of your wallet and reject everything, even donation, charity. Just reject until you really feel comfortable with whatever, then give. Okay? So we're gonna head to Angkor Wat soon.
So be the power lion. You used to that tiger.
Tiger. Yes, I was a tiger.
So,
Yeah, for some carvings, you still can see the Sanskrit language being written on it. So for this person, okay, we know exactly who he is, cause his name is here. Super steep here. There are 32 levels down to hell and 37 levels up to heaven. So this stairs to the shrine has 37 steps. And then in ancient time, they would carry the king on the saddle up these 70-degree steps to the shrine. We're gonna visit the Gate of the Dead. Yeah, this place is seldom visited by tourists, so hopefully you can get some nice shots.
entire portion collapsed. Same for the other side.
That's the way we came in, by that bridge. And then we walked down the walk. So now the walk out there and through, and we can walk through that.
Hey, check out the mega banana. Nice.
Yeah.
World biggest banana.